Imagine stepping into your 90s with the energy to wander through a vibrant market, climb a few steps to your favorite spot, and move with the confidence of someone decades younger. As we age, keeping our legs strong is about so much more than just getting around. It's about staying free, feeling unstoppable, and living life on your own terms. But let's be real, many of us start to notice our legs losing their vigor over time. Maybe a short walk leaves you feeling drained, or standing for a bit feels like a marathon. The amazing news: there's a simple, natural way to keep your legs powerful and resilient, and it all starts with what you put into your body. Today, I'm thrilled to share 6 incredible vitamins that can transform how your legs feel and function, no matter your age. If you've ever felt your legs tire out too quickly or worried about staying steady as you age, this is for you. By the end, you'll know exactly which vitamins can keep you vibrant and strong, plus a super easy daily habit. Just 1 teaspoon of something special that can make a world of difference. And don't skip the last vitamin. It's the one most people overlook, but it could be the key to unlocking your legs' full potential. Let's dive in and discover how to keep your legs ready. First up, let's talk about vitamin D, the sunshine superstar that's like the foundation of a sturdy house for your legs. This nutrient supports your muscles, strengthens your bones, and ensures every step feels confident. Without enough vitamin D, your legs might feel wobbly, your bones could weaken, and even simple tasks like standing up from a chair can start to feel like a challenge. You might think fading leg strength is just part of getting older, but that's not the whole story. Often, it's your body crying out for more vitamin D. Science backs this up. Studies show that low vitamin D levels are linked to a higher risk of falls and fractures in older adults, which can seriously limit your mobility. If you've ever felt unsteady, noticed your legs aching after a long day, or dealt with unexpected muscle cramps, your body might be signaling a vitamin D shortage. So, how do you get more? Spending 15 to 20 minutes in the sun each day helps your body produce vitamin D naturally. But as we age, our skin becomes less efficient at this, so we need to rely on food or supplements. Think fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, or sardines, fortified milk, or egg yolks. Here's the game changer: just 1 teaspoon of cod liver oil daily delivers a powerful dose of vitamin D, giving your muscles and bones the support they need to stay rock solid. People who boost their vitamin D often say they feel more energized, their legs feel steadier, and those annoying nighttime cramps start to fade. It's amazing how one small habit can lead to such big results, helping you move through life with ease and confidence. Now let's dive into vitamin B12, the energy powerhouse that keeps your legs buzzing with vitality. If your legs ever feel heavy, tired, or give you that strange tingly sensation, B12 might be the missing piece. This vitamin is crucial for healthy nerves, producing red blood cells, and getting oxygen to your muscles. When B12 levels are low, your legs can feel like they're dragging, or you might notice numbness or a pins and needles feeling. Here's a surprising fact: as we age, our bodies struggle to absorb B12 even if we're eating a healthy diet. Research shows B12 deficiency is common in older adults and can lead to fatigue, shaky legs, or even difficulty walking. Ever have days where your legs feel fine, but others where they just don't cooperate? That could be your body hinting at a B12 gap. The good news: it's easy to boost your intake. Foods like beef, chicken, fish, eggs, and dairy are packed with B12. For a simple daily boost, try sprinkling a teaspoon of nutritional yeast into your meals. It's loaded with B12 and adds a delicious, nutty flavor to soups, salads, or smoothies. People who increase their B12 often notice a quick difference: more energy, better balance, and legs that feel stronger and more responsive. Some even say it's like they've regained years of mobility just by addressing this one nutrient shortfall. It's a small change that can make your legs feel ready to take on anything. Next, let's shine a light on vitamin C, a nutrient that's way more than just an immune booster. If you wake up with stiff knees, feel your legs ache after a short walk, or notice your muscles take forever to recover, vitamin C could be your secret weapon. This vitamin plays a starring role in producing collagen, the protein that keeps your joints, tendons, and ligaments flexible and strong. As we age, collagen production naturally slows, which can leave your joints creaky and your legs less stable. Plus, vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that fights inflammation, a major cause of joint pain and muscle soreness. Studies show low vitamin C levels are linked to slower muscle recovery and more leg discomfort, making everyday movements feel tougher. If your legs feel less nimble than they used to, this nutrient can make a big difference. You'll find vitamin C in tasty foods like oranges, strawberries, bell peppers, kiwi, and broccoli. For a concentrated boost, try mixing a teaspoon of acerola cherry powder into water or a smoothie. It's a vitamin C powerhouse, packing way more punch than a single orange. Those who increase their vitamin C often report less stiffness, smoother knee movement, and more stamina for daily tasks. Some even say they wake up with legs that feel ready to go, not weighed down. It's like giving your body the tools to keep your legs youthful and resilient. Let's move on to vitamin K2, a hidden gem that doesn't get nearly enough attention but is vital for strong legs. Think of K2 as the guide that directs calcium to your bones, where it builds strength and keeps it away from places it shouldn't be, like your arteries or joints. Without enough K2, calcium can settle in the wrong spots, causing stiff joints, poor circulation, and even weaker bones. Research highlights that vitamin K2 helps lower the risk of fractures and keeps your bones tough, which is critical for steady, powerful legs. If you've noticed your legs feeling less reliable or seen someone with a stooped posture, low K2 might be part of the problem. You can get K2 from fermented foods like natto sauerkraut or certain cheeses, but an easy way is a teaspoon of grass-fed butter or ghee daily. This simple habit delivers a steady dose of K2, helping your bones stay solid and your legs feel nimble. People who boost their K2 often notice less knee stiffness and more confidence in their steps. Some say moving feels easier, almost like their legs are lighter and more natural. It's remarkable how something so small can have such a huge impact on your mobility. Next up is magnesium, the miracle mineral that's like a reset button for tired, crampy legs. If your legs feel heavy, prone to spasms, or just worn out after light activity, your body might be screaming for more magnesium. This mineral is essential for muscle function, nerve health, and energy production. Low magnesium can leave your legs feeling sluggish, and those painful Charlie horses can hit at the worst moments, like when you're trying to sleep. Studies show magnesium deficiency is common in older adults and can lead to muscle cramps, poor blood flow, and a frustrating sense of weakness. Ever wake up with tight calves or feel like your legs just won't cooperate? That's often a magnesium red flag. You can find it in foods like spinach, almond seeds, and whole grains, but for a quick boost, try a teaspoon of pumpkin seeds daily. They're packed with magnesium and easy to toss into salads, yogurt, or trail mix. Those who up their magnesium often see fewer cramps, more energy, and legs that feel lighter and more responsive. Some even sleep better, free from restless legs disrupting their nights. It's like giving your legs a daily dose of calm and strength, making every step feel effortless. Finally, let's talk about vitamin E, the circulation champion that keeps your legs energized and ready for action. If your legs tire quickly, feel chilly, or swell after sitting too long, poor blood flow might be the problem. Vitamin E acts like a natural blood thinner, ensuring oxygen and nutrients reach your leg muscles efficiently. When circulation lags, your legs can feel heavy, sore, or tingly. Research shows vitamin E keeps blood vessels flexible, reduces inflammation, and protects cells from damage, meaning less swelling, less fatigue, and stronger legs. You can get vitamin E from almonds, sunflower seeds, avocados, and leafy greens, but for a concentrated dose, try a teaspoon of wheat germ oil daily. It's a simple addition that can work wonders. People who boost their vitamin E often say their legs feel warmer, lighter, and less achy after activity. Some even notice healthier looking skin thanks to vitamin E's protective powers. If you want legs that stay vibrant and strong, this nutrient is a must-have. Let's take a moment to reflect on what we've covered. These six vitamins, vitamin D, B12, CK2, magnesium, and vitamin E, are like a dream team for your legs. Vitamin D builds a strong foundation for your muscles and bones, ensuring you stay steady. B12 keeps your nerves sharp and your energy high so your legs don't feel sluggish. Vitamin C supports flexible joints and fights inflammation, keeping you moving smoothly. K2 directs calcium to your bones, preventing stiffness and maintaining strength. Magnesium zaps cramps and boosts vitality, making your legs feel light and responsive. And vitamin E supercharges circulation, ensuring your legs get the oxygen and nutrients they need to stay powerful. Together, these nutrients work in harmony to keep your legs ready for anything. Whether it's a leisurely walk, a day of errands, or dancing at a family gathering. The beauty of this approach is how simple it is to incorporate into your life. You don't need to overhaul your diet or spend hours planning meals. Just 1 teaspoon a day of something like cod liver oil, nutritional yeast, acerola cherry powder, grass-fed butter, pumpkin seeds, or wheat germ oil can set you on the path to stronger, healthier legs. These aren't complicated supplements or hard to find ingredients. They're accessible, natural foods that pack a powerful punch. Science shows that these nutrients can start making a difference in just a few weeks. Many people notice stronger steps, better stamina, and fewer aches and pains. Imagine walking further without feeling winded, standing taller without discomfort, and moving with the confidence you had years ago. That's the power of giving your body the right fuel. But it's not just about the physical benefits. Strong legs give you something even more valuable: freedom. When your legs are sturdy and reliable, you can say yes to the things you love, whether it's exploring a new city, playing with grandkids, or simply enjoying a quiet evening on your feet without feeling drained. These vitamins don't just strengthen your body, they empower you to live life fully without limitations. And the best part, you don't have to wait until you're struggling to start. Adding these nutrients to your routine now can help you maintain your strength and mobility for years to come, keeping you active and independent well into your golden years. Let's talk about how to make this practical. Start by looking at your daily routine and finding one small way to add these vitamins. Maybe you'll drizzle a teaspoon of cod liver oil over your morning oatmeal for a vitamin D boost. Or perhaps you'll sprinkle nutritional yeast on your evening soup for a dose of B12. Love smoothies. Blend in some acerola cherry powder for vitamin C. Enjoy cooking. Swap regular butter for grass-fed butter or ghee to get your K2. Need a snack? Grab a teaspoon of pumpkin seeds for magnesium. Or try adding wheat germ oil to your salad dressing for a vitamin E kick. These are tiny changes, literally a teaspoon a day, but they add up to massive results. Over time, you'll likely notice your legs feeling lighter, your steps more confident, and your energy levels higher. It's like giving your body a daily tune up to keep it running smoothly. If you're wondering where to start, pick one vitamin and focus on incorporating it this week. Maybe you've been dealing with leg cramps at night, try the pumpkin seeds for magnesium. Or if your knees feel stiff, give acerola cherry powder a go for vitamin C. Listen to your body and let it guide you. If you're not sure about your nutrient levels, a quick chat with your doctor can help you pinpoint any gaps, especially for vitamins like D or B12, which can be tested with a simple blood draw. But even without a test, adding these nutrient-rich foods to your diet is a safe, natural way to support your legs and overall health. I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and share one thing that stood out to you today, or how you plan to add these vitamins to your life. Maybe you're excited to try sprinkling pumpkin seeds on your salad or curious about the taste of nutritional yeast. Let me know. Your thoughts inspire me to keep sharing practical tips like these. If this resonated with you, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and share it with someone who could use a little leg strengthening inspiration. Thanks for joining me today, and I can't wait to see you in the next one.